Hello everyone! Ryan the wrecking ball crane has just knocked down a load of old buildings. My cleanup crew are here to clear the construction site, ready to build some colourful new houses. Yellow! Eric! A construction site isn't a safe place to play. You're supposed to be working as a team, helping your friends to clear the site. They can't do it without you. It's time to get back to work, please. Danny the digger is using his giant shovel to push the rubble into larger piles. Eric the excavator is using his bucket to lift the rubble up and load it into Dylan the dump truck. And Yellow Mechanical is making sure the trucks are working together as a team. Now Dylan is fully loaded. He's driving the rubble over to the recycling centre. These old bricks will be smashed up into smaller pieces to help build new roads. Some of them will be ground into dust and used to make new bricks. Brilliant! Fantastic! Good work, everyone. By working together and helping each other, you got the site cleared. Thanks for visiting us today. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye!